Hey guys, welcome to Scuderia Car Parts. Today we're having a look at this, which is a 2019 G63 AMG with a full Brabus Widestar conversion kit, wheels, power kit and exhaust. So I guess the first thing to talk about is what the Widestar kit actually consists of. And it's all body parts that are made of polyurethane that come ready for painting. And so with the Widestar kit, what you get is you get a front bumper with integrated LED running lights, and you also get front and rear wheel arches, which are obviously widened for the Widestar, which is where that kind of comes from. You've got vents which are integrated into the front wheel arches, lights at the front and the rear of the sort of decks at the sides by the door, and then obviously round to the rear bumper as well. That's been completely changed. So now that we've got the wide body kit on, we obviously needed to fill out those wider wheel arches. And the solution was these, which are the Monoblock Y Platinum Editions in 23 inch. And that's the same for the front and the rear. What we've had to do is we've had to install spacers to push out the wheels to the edge of the wheel arches, and it's 40mm at the front and 55mm at the rear. And these are finished in gloss black with the gloss black Brabus centerpieces as well. So one of the other things that Brabus is really good at is coming up with carbon fibre accessories to add to the car, just to flesh out the Widestar kit a little bit more. And on this kit particularly, we've gone for the kind of most popular elements. So that is the rear spare wheel cover. We've also gone for the carbon fibre power dome bonnet attachment, and then we've also got the front roof attachment with the running lights, and those are all finished in gloss carbon fibre on this car. So the last thing we did on this build was the power kit. So we'd finished all of the kind of aesthetic elements, and then the customer went, do you know what? I want the 700 power kit. Obviously Brabus produces two power kits for this car. They do the 700 brake and then the 800 brake. Now the 700 brake is just a plug and play unit. You literally just wire it into the car and you get 700 brake. The 800 kit, you need to remove the turbochargers. They're then sent off to Brabus to be modified, and then they're sent back and installed along with an additional power kit as well. Now we've sold a couple of those, but obviously it's a bit more involved than just a power kit. So yeah, this car now develops 700 brake, and we've also paired it with Brabus's valved exhaust. So what I'll do now is I'll start the car and then I'll show you what it sounds like. And then the final touch was just to add in the Brabus branding, which consisted of the front logo, the logo on the bonnet, a couple of badges on the Widestar, a couple on the side of the car, and then obviously the big Brabus logo on the rear cover for the spare wheel. So that's that. This car now has the wide stance and the sound and the power to go with its already ridiculous looks. It's such a cool car. And when you're doing a revival, this is kind of what it's about. You know, the G-Wagon has been such a fixture for such a long time, and Mercedes has done a really, really good job of capturing its essence and sort of modernising it. And then Brabus have done a really, really good job of taking that idea and just running with it. This thing is insane. The customer's going to love it, we love it, I'm sure you guys are going to love it, and we'll see you on the next one.